Hello, welcome back. I'm in Helsted at the moment, and I'm on a call out to a generator. I don't know how much you can see because the sun keeps glaring in, like, you know. So yeah, we're on a call out to a generator. This generator, what it does is when they have a power cut, it powers a pump. What is on? What is on a pump to a cesspit. I'm not sure if it's just one house. Well, I think it just does one house. But it's quite a biggish generator. I know that a few years back it powered their house and the house next door, so it's quite a big one. I went out to it earlier in the year when it started, because it hadn't been started for quite a while. Basically flat battery, sale petrol, all that sort of stuff. And I told him to keep the battery charged up. He's a regular customer of mine. Just seen some of the bits before what I've done. Keith is their gardener, and apparently he tried it on Tuesday and it wouldn't start. I did hint to him the other week to start the bloody thing up because it won't start. And they phoned me up yesterday. But like I said to them, if they have a power cut, then I'll go straight out. But if not, then there's no panic. I'll leave it until today because this is the first day. Well, it's Thursday, and it's the first day of the school holidays. Well, it's for Louis. I think Gemma's still at school till tomorrow. So I'm just, like I said, we're on our way. I don't know what we'll be able to film, and what I'm not going to film, but hopefully I'll put some on film and I'll put it up then. I'm hoping it's just a flat battery and I can start it, jump start it off the van maybe. They have got another one there, like a Honda. I think it's a clone actually, clone of a Honda. I got that going last year, but that's not some. If you've got the big one going, they don't need that one. So I'm heading towards Sudbury. I'm just going to house. I'm heading towards Sudbury, and we'll chat in a minute. Right, this is the generator we're talking about. So it's a nice machine. I think the battery's just dead on it. So, I don't know what you can see because of the sun. But yeah, I'm going to just jump it with the van, see if I can get it going. See what we get. I've just put my leads on. It's clean under the hood, Right, let's give it a go. Just 2 seconds, just pop this down. Right, choke. This has got like auto run and that. Petrol needs to be on. I think it's on. Right, put it down on there. A bit of vibration. I don't know. That's got an auto throttle on it. So that's got auto throttle. Take auto throttle off. Smart throttle they call it. There's got how. Put it on. Sometimes that makes it a little bit awkward to it again off the battery. Well, there you go, there's one generator going. I'll have a look at that one. I can see it in the garage as well. But that never did run right, even when I got it going last time. It's not actually, I don't think it's actually their one. Oh, it is their one. They've got another one that was missing. Right, let's turn the van off. Right, this is the other one. Don't have a lot of faith in this one. Close off the petrol on. It's on choke. It's on the. There ain't a lot of petrol in it. Like I say, I'm not worried about this one so much. So, hell is petrol in here. I've drained it all out. I think they've put the stale petrol back in it. Like I said, I don't think this one's just going to start. I think it's drained down again and all that. The annoying thing is I'm sure I drained both of these down. Right. I need to get this one restarted. Obviously this battery hasn't charged at all in the time I had it running. So I need to get that restarted and have that one running because that's the most important one. Right, I'm on my way home now. The little generator I've got in the back of the van, I'm taking it back to the workshop. I'm going to get it up and running. Last year, I think it was a year before that, I tent the car on it. It hasn't done anything since then, apart from obviously it's been a smash up here. I'm on the A120 TMC lorry by the looks of it. It's stopped up there. And what else is there? Mini, a couple other cars as well, straight down the side of them. That's up on the A120 Hindle. I went near the Felsted turning. Police are there. Yeah, anyway, yeah, so I've taken the car out before. I've got a funny feeling, about a year or so ago, a little while ago, I drained some petrol out. I said I'd take it and get rid of it, and she said, oh, we'll do something with it. And she put it underneath the bench, and I think the Keith picked that petrol up and put it back in it. But having said that, I drained the car, I sprayed some car cleaner down the car, still didn't want to fire up. I got a couple boom, but that was about it. So I think it's a bit more serious than, you know, just a little bit of, you know, like a car. Now, I know before when I got it running, it ran like a bag of crap, to be honest with you. And I did say that to her at the time. I don't think it's ever been any good, that one. But I'm going to take it back today, this afternoon, have a look at it. Doesn't seem to have a lot of compression either. That could be a major problem, maybe even the cause of the whole lot, who knows. But I'm going to take it back, have a good look at it, and then Keith's coming over later this afternoon, and he's doing a job there tomorrow, so he can take it back. So I haven't got to worry about it being mine overnight or nothing. Give me some room, thank you. Proper dual carriageways, not enough room for everybody, is there? But yeah, so that's it. The other one's running lovely. We've got a new battery on it. She wasn't happy with the idea of charging that one up and whatever, so she wanted a new battery. Fine, it's her money. I think the battery would have been fine, but she's going to put on a new battery on it. We'll put a new battery on it, and I'm going to look to see if I can get a little triple charger for her, so that she can keep it on triple charger. That's what it should be on. She has got one, but she doesn't trust it, so there you go. Right, I think that would do for this video. Like I say, trip out, wasn't it? And she also gave me, obviously she paid me, and she gave me a bottle of wine, so this is Christmas, so bonus. Right, I shall see you next time. I'm going to use Volvo go past, and I shall see you next time. Bye for now.